Good morning to all. Dear students, I hope that all are keeping fine. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 40, composition, letter writing. Yes, dear students, letter writing consists of certain norms. It is basically a step-by-step approach. Earlier, letter writing involved the role of punctuation, marks, and other rules. But now, letter writing has become very simpler. Now, let us see what is letter writing. Letter writing is an important channel of communication between two people who are geographically distant from one another. In the earlier times, when the email and telephone were not available, the only means of communication between people was through letters. Yes, dear students, in those days, people are used maximum only a letter writing. What is the difference between essay and composition? Essay is a relatively short piece of writing on a particular topic. Composition is a writing creative work. It is called composition. Yes, dear students, in letter writing, there are two types of letter writing, that is, formal letters and informal letters. Now, we will see formal letters. The formal letter is written for business or professional purposes and partners, suppliers, customers, clients, colleges or institute, employers, etc., with a specific object in mind. It uses simple language which is easy to read and interpret on the contrary. It is called formal letter. Informal letter. Informal letters are written to friends and relatives for personal communication and require a casual or emotional tone. The way you talk to them on phone or in person. It is called informal letters. Yes, dear students, informal letter means it's a close of friends, families, friends. So whenever we are writing, these are the peoples, it is a formal letters. When we are writing informal letter, it is a professional letters. So these are the difference between formal letters and informal letters. So how we have to write a letter writing? A letter has four main parts. So, dear students, whenever we are writing letters, we have to follow the four main parts of letter writing and the format of letter writing. Number one, beginning. Number two, salutation. Number three, body. Number four, ending. The format. Number one, sender's details, name and address. Whenever you are writing letters, you have to follow the format. Then only the letter will come very good way. So, dear students, we have to follow this 8 format. As I said before, letter has to be a good way to come through this format. Number one, sender's details, name and address. Number two, date 5th October 2020. Dear students, we have to keep it in our mind always the date. We should not write 5/10/2020. It is totally wrong. We have to write always 5th October 2020. Number 3. Receiver's details. Name and address. One who receiving their name and address is very important in letter writing. Number 4. Salutation. Dear Sir, Madam. Number 5. Subject. What the letter is about. Students, when we are writing, subject is very important. What is the content for the letter writing? Okay. Number 6. Body. Actual message. In body, we can see there are three types of format. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, body. Number 3, conclusion. So we have to see always these three in a actual message. Number 7, complimentary. Your faithfully, your sincerely, your obedience, etc. Number 8, name and sign, designation. Dear students, in a letter writing, these formats are very important when you all are writing letter writing. Example of informal letters. A letter to your mother asking her permission to go a picnic. Students, you are asking to your mother to go for picnic. So, how to ask permission to your informal letters? 83 Mansovar Circular Road, Dehradun 248001. 16th May 2020. My dear mother, I received your letter last week and I am sorry for replying late. I am quite well here and hope the same for you. Our class teacher has arranged a picnic to Mussoorie. It's a beautiful hill station. All my friends are going. It's too hot here, and I too wish to join them for the picnic. Our teachers have made all arrangements for the bus and hotel facilities. Please allow me to go on this trip. Convey my regards to Dad and love to Suhani. Your affectionate son Mohit. Dear students, this is the format of informal letters. Example of formal letters. 6th April 2020. Senior Health Officer, MCD Delhi. Subject: Complaint against insanitary conditions in our locality. Dear Sir, I want to draw your kind attention to the sad sanitary conditions of my locality. I am a resident of Sagat. The sweepers have not visited the locality for the last several days. The dirty water of trains is overflowing. This gives out a foul smell. I am afraid an epidemic may soon break out. If possible, please pay a personal visit to the locality and help us in this matter and bring out the residents from hell. Yours sincerely, Sharma. Students, whenever you are writing formal letters, you should follow a format like this. So, dear students, letter writing is very important to write through rules and regulation. The format is very important for letter writing. So, come to conclusion. So, before start writing letter, first of all, you should identify who is your recipient. If you are having a professional relationship with the recipient, then you should go for a formal letter. Whereas if the recipient is someone very close to you or you know the recipient well, then the informal letter is the right choice for you. Yes, dear students, letter writing is very important in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.